Okay, hello. Now I am going to show you, like I was talking about in my last video, on like how it freezes and stuff. And I need help trying to fix it, because I already opened up my Xbox to do all this stuff to it, so it already voided the warranty. And bought it from, the warranty already ran out because it's a year old, and we bought year of warranty. And yeah, so any comments to help will really help. Yeah, just seeing, because I'm using the YouTube capture app on my iPhone. Let's turn it on. Then I did this a few days ago, but this hasn't affected it at all. Just so you know, if you're gonna comment that, this has not affected it at all. Yeah, because we did this yesterday, and it was freezing like before, like a few days before, and we called Best Buy and stuff. Okay, so this is all good, right? It all starts up. It's all good. You can go into the menu. It's all good. Messages. Shbam, it's all there. And then when you go into your game, Black Ops 2. It makes me upset that I can't play it on my new Xbox. Well, it's not really new. My LEDs, because I wanted to play it. Okay, so you're in the Black Ops 2 menu, or start, and then you hit Xbox Live. See, it connects me. It's my name, my level, 6 prestige. And then I'll just do a quick one. So, public match. Find a match. Core. Let's go with. Let's try search. See if it works in search. Or, yeah, search. And we wait. Who we get into? Okay. Shh. Be quiet, kid. Get muted. Okay, they're on my team, so I'll mute them actually. This is all good.
Shut up, whiny baby. Everybody is fucking garbage except for me and my friend.
You can hear this kid trash talking. But okay, so this is where it happens. If you're still here, please. Yeah. Okay, so it loads. Watch it work now. And freezes right there. Just straight up freezes. So yeah, if any of you guys could help me with that, that would be great, because I really don't want to throw away this awesome Xbox or sell it, because I spent so much time doing all this and getting this CD drive to work, and the LEDs all installed, and the wiring and soldering. Next, I'm working on the Ring of Light. Peace.